Hey, it's Jamie with myFM in the morning. So we understand CASHFX. It's been, a little frustrating, a little confusing. You think you thought of everything that it could possibly be. Well, it's a pretty obvious hint what you're looking at right now. No, not the tree itself, but we're outside, as you can tell. So we're going to do the sound effect for you to show you, A, that it's real. It's a real sound. And this time you can listen over and over as many times as you want. So here is the mystery sound. Good luck.